Hello children, today we are here to study GK. So dear children, get ready and open your GK book. Take out 13th chapter. The name of chapter is Our Universe. Universe is a huge wide open space that consists of sun, moon, stars, solar system, galaxies, comets, etc. यूनिवर्स एक विशाल ओपन स्पेस है जिसमें सूर्य, चंद्रमा, तारे, सौरमंडल, गैलेक्सीज और पुच्छल तारे होते हैं. Here we have defined some components of the universe. Read them carefully. इस चैप्टर में हम यूनिवर्स के कुछ कंपोनेंट्स के बारे में जानेंगे. Look at the first one, stars. Stars are the gigantic balls of gas that appear in the night sky. They emit light due to their high temperatures. The nearest star is the sun. It is the brightest star. The second brightest star is Alpha Centauri. Now second number, comet is a luminous celestial body which move about the solar system in elliptical or hyperbolic orbits. Comets have a long shining tail. Now next number, planets. Planets are objects that revolve around the sun. They are not self-luminous but shine by radiating the light received from the sun. The major 8 known planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now next number, constellation. Constellation is a group of fixed stars that represents an imaginary figures or shape. The stars in the sky are divided into 88 constellations. The brightest constellation is Crux, the Southern Cross. Now next number, a meteor is a bright streak of light in the sky produced by the entry of a small meteoroid into the Earth's atmosphere. Meteor is popularly known as a shooting star or a falling star. Now look at the next number. Galaxies are formed by group of stars, gases and dust particles. All are together by strong gravitational force. Milky Way is one of the galaxies of the universe in which we live. It is also called Akash Ganga. It appears like an unclear white strip of light elongated across the sky. Next number, satellite. A satellite is an artificial body placed in orbit around the Earth or another planet in order to collect information for communication. All satellites are not artificial, it can be natural. For example, the moon is a satellite because it orbits Earth. Now next number, black holes. Black holes are the most mysterious objects in universe. It is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. So dear children, now we move to next chapter. Our next chapter is our body. Our body is an amazing machine. It consists of many parts. Read the given description of the human body parts and write their names in the space given below. हमारा जो शरीर है वह एक मशीन है, अद्भुत मशीन है. इसमें कई सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं, इसके कई सारे भाग होते हैं और आप सभी उनके बारे में जानते हैं. तो ऐसे ही कुछ हमारे शरीर के भाग के बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन दिए गए हैं. आपको उन्हें पढ़ना है और फिर उनके नाम लिखने हैं. लुक एट द फर्स्ट नंबर. यू हैव 2 of these. on your face and you use to see. आपके फेस पे ये 2 हैं और आप देखने के लिए इन्हें यूज करते हैं. These are eyes. Next number. These are hard things inside your body and provide support to your body. ये हार्ड चीज़ है जो आपकी बॉडी को सपोर्ट करता है. इट इज़ skeleton. You have 10 of these on your hands. They are very sensitive to touch. आपके हैंड में 10 हैं, 10 हैं और ये बहुत ही टच करने में बहुत ही सेंसिटिव हैं. What are these? These are fingers. Now next number. These things are used to bite and crush the food. ये भोजन को काटने में, क्रश करने में, च्यू करने में हेल्प करते हैं. What are these? These are teeth. Now next number. This organ pumps blood through the body. ये शरीर का यह भाग ब्लड को पंप करके शरीर में पहुंचाता है. What is it? It is heart. Next number. You have 2 of these on the side of your head. They help you hear. ये आपके कान हेड के दोनों साइड में होते हैं और ये सुनने में आपकी हेल्प करते हैं. What are these? These are ears. Now next number. It is the part between the head and the body. ये आपके हेड, सिर और बॉडी के बीच का पार्ट है. What is it? It is neck. Dear children, read this chapter carefully and I will send PDF of exercise of this chapter.